In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can revive a teammate or a friend on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So first, what you need to do is collect all the required items to complete the quest or the level. You need to leave all the required items on the extraction point, just like this. But before that, you need to go and find the head or of your friend, just like this, and you need to leave it at the extraction point as well, just like this. And now we can put the last item to complete the limit or the requirement for the extraction point. And now let's see after the countdown. You can do this on any extraction point. This is the first method to revive a teammate, and I'm going to show you the second method you can use. So now after the extraction point is completed, your friend will be revived. Now let's see the second way you can revive your friends. And the other method you can do to revive your friend is after completing the level or the quests, you need to grab your friend's head and throw it into the truck. So in this case, there was a monster that was killing me, but that's basically all you need to do. You need to grab your friend's or teammate head after completing the quest or the extraction points and throw it to the truck after completing the level, and your friend will automatically revive with 25 HP. With the other method, just by putting the head on the extraction point, your friend will revive with 1 HP. So that's it. Those are the two ways you can use to revive your friend on R.E.P.O. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.